Sam went to his doctor and was diagnosed with one of the 16 chronic illnesses covered by the National Health Fund. His doctor signs his NHF application form and he takes it to the NHF office in New Kingston. In 15 minutes, he receives his NHF card. Sam is now able to use his NHF card to access subsidized medication at the pharmacy, all in a matter of hours. Over 5,000 National Health Fund and Jamaica Drugs for the Elderly program cards have been printed since the introduction of same-day processing at the NHF head office in New Kingston. This drastic reduction in processing time is part of the NHF's winning strategy of continuous improvement to exceed customer expectations. The NHF also implemented a prescription drop-off service in August 2014. This convenient service allows customers to leave their prescriptions, then return after 3 hours to collect their medication. Initially introduced at 4 locations, the program has since been rolled out to all 13 pharmacy locations. The NHF also acquired a mobile screening unit, which has boosted the screening capacity and is helping to increase the awareness of non-communicable diseases. Persons with abnormal results, in addition to receiving counseling on the day of the screening, also receive text messages reminding them to follow up with the doctor. Several pharmacies have been renovated and the transformations have resulted in an increase in the number of dispensing windows, thereby reducing waiting time and customer dissatisfaction. Renovated waiting areas and more comfort for customers. Renovated areas for staff and improved workspace. Additional pharmacists have been employed in some pharmacies to improve service delivery. The NHF launched several initiatives to facilitate greater involvement of certain groups in its programs. The 5-Star Health Program was specifically designed to promote habits in men such as exercise and healthy eating.
Be a 5-star health general, and that me I say.
The Work It Out Workplace Weight Loss Challenge was also introduced to encourage individuals to change their lifestyle to achieve a healthier mind and body. The National Health Fund has also been making special efforts to reach the underserved members of the society. Several presentations were made to groups including fisherfolk, bus drivers and household helpers, with more being planned for the immediate future. The National Health Fund is the 2014-2015 winner of the award for Best Customer Service Entity Multiple Location in the Public Sector Customer Service Competition.
You must reach for the